is that it's good to have dreams and things that you want to achieve in your career, external things, external achievements. But what I think is most essential and most important is that don't think that those ideas or those achievements is what is going to elevate your life. You understand? It is not that. What is going to elevate your life is here and now, begin the process and the journey to raise your level of consciousness. That's what I discovered, and life is too precious, too valuable to keep waiting for something to be achieved or getting somewhere in order to feel that my life is elevated now.